Hello there guys, back again with Dubbax with another tutorial video. Back again with Dubbax with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a drop-in on this kind of obstacle. A quarter pipe, or I don't know, what do you want to call it? A quarter or what? So yeah. The main thing about this, don't hesitate. You just need to go for it, you know? Fuck it, go fucking for it. Don't hesitate to push your board down. As long as you stick your legs to your skateboard, you're not gonna fall. So, number one rule is don't put your body weight on your back foot. Make sure you put all of your body weight in your front foot.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, so that's what happened if you put your body weight. If you put your body weight on your back foot, you're gonna fall so bad. Trust me, it hurts so freaking bad. So my only what is that? So my main tip to do a proper drop-in on a quarter pipe is just make sure you put all of your body weight on your front foot and then go for it. Don't hesitate to do it, because if you have that even 1% of hesitate, trust me, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fail so bad, and yeah, you're gonna fucking screw it up. So okay, make sure you don't do like this video over here. See, right? It's funny. Oh man, I feel so freaking bad. But yeah, as long as you do it right, it's easy peasy. Okay, keep trying guys. Okay, so that is it guys. Basically the conclusion of this tutorial is, as long as you believe you can do it, it's gonna be easy. But if you keep that fear scares you to do it, trust me, it's gonna be hard. You won't gonna be able to land it. So make sure you just go for it. Don't think about it like you're gonna fail or is it gonna hurt. But yeah, it is gonna hurt, so don't fail. Make sure you put all of your weight in your front foot, then you're not gonna fall. That's all the answer for that. So just keep trying and don't let your fear scares you to do something that you can do. So basically that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends, your son, or I don't know who else will be good for this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up below. Leave a comment if you want, or you think any suggestion for my video, everything. Okay, ciao ciao, peace out.